Hey guys, let's do a real fun and quick crochet class, learning how to crochet this adorable little clover. So I have my worsted weight of 4 yarn in a emerald green color, and my crochet hook is a G6/4mm crochet hook, just like that, and a pair of scissors, of course. I'm going to start by chaining up 3 after the slip stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. The slip knot, sorry. And then I'm going to slip stitch into the first one right by the knot, and that will create a center to crochet into. I'm going to chain up 3 here, and then I'm going to do a treble crochet. So there's the first yarn over, the second yarn over, and what we're working on here, and I'm going through the center by the way, is the first petal to the clover leaf. So that's the first treble. Up next, I'm going to do 1 more treble, so yarn over twice, go into the center ring, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more, and then yarn over and pull through those 2. Up next will be a half double crochet, and same thing into the center, and then we will end this with a slip knot into the center as well. So that's what it looks like. It's a little cluster of those stitches. I'm going to repeat this 3 more times around the center. So chain up 3, do the treble into the center, just like that. Pull through 2, pull through those 2, and 2 more. Yarn over twice into the center, pull up, yarn over through the 2, mess up apparently, and pull through 2 more. And to do the half double crochet into the center, yarn over, pull through, and yeah. Oh, I messed up, so let me undo that. So yarn over, go in, pull up, go through, it should have been the 2 bottom ones, but it's fine. And then a slip knot. I'm going to repeat this right there, chain up the 3, do the yarn over for the treble. It's so cute already, looks like a little bow tie. And then yarn over, pull through the center, pulling through the 2 loops 3 times, 1 more treble. Just like that. And then, of course, the half double crochet. That's how a half double crochet should be done, but I messed up the other one. It's fine though. And then a slip stitch into the center. So there is a 3-leaf clover, which would be cute, but for St. Patrick's Day, scooch them over, and I'm gonna do 1 more round of the chain up 3, the 2 trebles, and the half double crochet, and then a slip stitch, just like that. Here's the second one. Very good. Pull up through those 2, and then pull up through those 2. I'm going to do the half double crochet now, all into that beautiful ring, the center pull. Okay, And here's my half double crochet. And yes, I was working over, oh, that's a slip stitch. I was working over the tail, and the reason you work over the tail is so you can pull the center tight when you need to. So now I'm going to chain up 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I will skip the first one on the chain and just work my way back up the chain with a slip stitch in each one. Here is slip stitch 2, slip stitch number 3, and then slip stitch into the center ring for the 4th one, just like that. And I always end by chaining up 2 to create the knot. I will snip away the working yarn, snip, and I will pull that out and push those stitches down to create the knot, finish it off. And there it is. Isn't it just the cutest little clover? Okay, so now the yarn that I worked over from the center, I'm going to pull that taut to close that center just a little bit. Off video, I knotted it and I hid the yarn into the clover itself. But there it is. There's the little cutie. Tell me, will you be making clovers for